What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. Obviously we are up in the big shop. So it's been raining in Indiana for like the past week. Everything was flooded, like so bad when I was coming home from work. I think it was Monday. They actually had to close down a couple roads in town because they were completely just covered in water. So I haven't been able to make a lot of videos just because, well, we'd be stuck in here. But we're actually going to be talking about the 98 today, kind of going over everything for the build. I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's been happening. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and go on out there. I do apologize if the wind noise is terrible. I'm going to try and block the screen as much as I can, but it's kind of windy out there. So just bear with me. We're going to go on out there real quick and just kind of give you guys a just quick overall. So guys, it is a little bit later on in the day. It was way too windy this morning to actually film out here. But I just want to kind of give you guys a brief update on what is happening on the 98 here. So as you guys know, about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, we stripped everything down, pulled the bed off of it. I sanded the entire frame, painted it gloss black and stuff. It turned out really good. All I used was tractor and implement paint. Took a wire brush and a bunch of different products, just kind of scuffed it up. We got the new hitch on it. This actually came off of a K2500 truck. I got to get bigger bolts and stuff in here. I just want to get it mocked up so I could see what it looks like. I still have to hit the rear axle with paint and stuff. My main focus was the frame, just to get it over to Chad so he could get rockers and stuff put on it, cab corners and all that fun stuff. We are going to be pulling, or actually front bumpers, or rear bumpers already off, excuse me. Front bumper we're replacing. We're actually going to have it pulled, sandblasted and stuff like that. Probably go black, and then everything else is going to be blue, obviously. Might do black emblems, see if I can find like the newer style 2500 emblems to throw on here. I just want to do black just to kind of tie in with like the wheels and everything. I am going to leave the Rhino line. Look down here on the bottom. I'm going to go not so textured because this is actually Herculiner and it's got a lot of texturedness to it. So we're actually going to be sanding it down. Obviously the cab corner and rocker panel will be replaced, so I'll have to coat those anyway. And then I have a new driver's door for this, so it'll be getting replaced. Passenger door I think is about the only thing that's going to stay the same. Not sure if I'm going to color match the mirrors or not. Traction bars will be coming off. They'll probably go gloss black. There's just, I mean, not a whole lot I'm going to do to this thing just because it is a farm truck and I still want to be able to use it. I don't want to make it so nice that I can't take it out to the field or take it hunting or anything like that. So I'm going to try and do my best to keep it nice, but not show quality where I'm scared to drive it nice. You guys might make fun of me for that, but oh well. We did get a new filler neck. It is actually in the Cruise. I need to get that thrown on. We have a big surprise coming for this. If you guys think you might know what it is, leave it down in the comments. I haven't said anything. I've had this in the works for probably 4 to 6 months now. It's in the shop. I've been keeping it a secret. It's been kind of hard because I've wanted to tell you guys. But if you have a guess, let me know on what you think it is. Oh, and besides the big surprise, we are going to be throwing on airbags. They're the 5,000 pound helper bags, which are in the truck here. They're just the airlift. There's part number and all of that. So be throwing those on just to help with ride quality, help with towing, because obviously we do have the gooseneck and stuff in here and I do tow with this thing, so I want it to be not so bumpy when I'm hauling stuff. But no, other than that, for the truck, oh, we do have new front fenders. How can I forget that? As we're getting ready the nasty fender flares, we're just gonna go smooth. I might do the little trim piece. I don't know if there's any one here in the junk pile. I don't think so. But what I'm talking about is just that little chrome piece that goes up and around. I was going to use this fender, then I decided not to. I found a better rust-free fender, so I got rid of this one. But no, it's just a little chrome. I might get those and paint them black just to see what it'd look like, instead of having the giant fender flares here, just to kind of break it up a little bit. Cowl hood's going to stay. I'm probably going to be looking at new headlights and all that stuff. Gonna pull the GMC back out and have it probably powder coated again. Yeah, so we have a lot of work to do yet. It is what it is, I guess. I get so busy in my shop I can't really do anything. Chad gets busy in his shop trying to get projects caught up. It kind of sucks when you guys are the only ones in your shop. You can't really get a lot done. Plus between this Dodge, working on a Jeep right now, and then obviously the 79 and then the Cruise, I just don't have a whole lot of time to do much. So yeah, but I'll kind of give you guys a start up here, because I don't know if you guys have heard the new exhaust yet. We put from headers all the way back 3-inch to the axle dump. I had that done not too long ago, so I'll give you guys a quick exhaust startup and stuff, and then we'll kind of go over what I plan on doing on the interior. So like I was saying, hopefully you guys can hear me over the exhaust, and sorry for the wind, it just picked up again. But we did from the headers all the way back. We still deleted the cats and all that. It's 3-inch all the way back to the axle dump here. Gives it a nice deep grumble. I didn't want anything super loud, crackly like the glass packs and stuff. That's just not my cup of tea. But no, it gives it that nice deep grumble, and then once you get on it, you can definitely hear it. I'll give it a little rev once it warms up here. But no, I don't know how long ago I had that done, probably a month ago. And I took it to a guy local there in town. He gave me a quote. I think it was like 520 bucks maybe for everything, piping and all that. So it wasn't too bad. But no, I'll give it a little rev here for you guys so you can hear exactly how loud she is. And then we'll move on to the interior and kind of explain what plans are for in there. Hopefully you guys could hear that. Video just doesn't do the truck justice. It's pretty loud in person, if you ask any of my buddies. Like I said, it's not bad. You're cruising, and if you want somebody to hear you, you stomp on it and they definitely hear you. As far as the interior goes, it's going to stay just the stock interior. I did a double din radio not too long ago. My plan is I want to do subs in the rear. I don't know if I want to do one like 10-inch or one 12-inch, or do like the full underneath the seat. I kind of like being able to use underneath my rear seat, but no, I haven't decided yet. But other than that, everything's going to stay the same in here. It just needs a really good cleaning. Obviously, I haven't been driving it, so it's kind of dirty. Yeah. But other than that, that's about it, guys. My main focus is trying to get the exterior done before we move on to the interior. Like I said, we got a huge surprise for it. If you guys want to take a guess, leave a comment. If you think you know, well, I guess just keep it a secret. If you do know, keep it a secret. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update. If you guys have any questions on this truck or the 79, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Message me on Instagram, message me on Facebook. I love answering them. If you guys have a truck like this and need help with anything, I'm always here to help. But that's going to do it, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.